Good afternoon, everybody. Today let's do a beautiful spicy pork roast, but this pork roast is going to be my way. For this I have a beautiful pineapple slices which are very sweet from the market, and I have pork which is marinated in lovely delicious agonman. Yeah, it's a crispy chili kind of paste, very nice, and some lime. I've got some garlic powder, I've got some oregano, I have some cumin powder, and my freshly crushed Sidapur pepper. Okay, so all this is marinated overnight yesterday. Okay, everything, minimum half to 3/4 teaspoon. So the pork is cut this way and marinated nicely. I have 2 skewers here. So the goal is to take this pineapple piece and stick this beautiful skewer. Okay, the idea is to layer all this pork, yeah, in this beautiful skewer, okay, one by one. So let me assemble them, and then I've got a preheated oven. Assemble all together and chuck it in the oven for at least 45 minutes. So I just forgot to tell you, okay, we added some salt. Okay, salt is important to taste, and that's it. You have to place them just like a beautiful shawarma. Okay, every piece should have the fat in there and nicely, and this is the shoulder, so you'll have some bone in there. So this is going to give you a beautiful taste. Okay, I would prefer to have another skewer and probably stop here with this one. Yeah, this one, we'll leave it here and we move it to a side. Take the other pineapple piece. Yeah, you see this chili? It's all coming from that beautiful agonama. Okay, that's a beautiful chili paste in oil. It's crispy chili paste. So let's go on. 1 and 2 and 3. So that's all right. Let me finish it. Okay. So if you don't have your chili flakes, you take your red chili, the dried red chilies, and fry them nicely in oil. You can fry them in beautiful olive oil, and that's your marination for this beautiful pork skewers in lovely chili paste and all the beautiful ingredients. Okay, there's something left over, so let's stick it on top. Right, and then I'm going to put a beautiful pineapple piece. I'm looking for one more. Oh, there you go. Lovely. Okay guys, now ready for this beautiful 2 angels to go in the lovely. Cheers guys, enjoy. Okay, they're all in my baking tray, and I would prefer to sprinkle beautiful olive oil around, yeah, just to give it some greasiness. Okay, and time for it to go in the beautiful oven, right? Thanks guys. So the hot oven is ready. I just got a beautiful height exactly there, and let's make sure this one rests in there for around 45 minutes. Okay, let's shut him down. Thank you. So kindly make sure your oven should be preheated to 200 and say almost to 220 or 210. So this is important, and then you put your beautiful skewers inside and keep watching them all the time. Okay, and then you will see as they get roasted around, you could probably attempt to give it a small slice around so that it can cook inside. Okay, just like a shawarma. So it's 15 minutes now. So I'll just give you a glimpse of what's going on inside. It's pretty hot, but you see, each portion is half a kilo, half a kilo, half a kilo. So this is a 1 kilo of shoulder pork meat with bone. Okay, so remember, only then the taste is going to be good. Okay, let me shut it down. So it's 43 minutes, and I think I will turn it off because it looks a bit all right. There you go. Mama. Okay, let's get it out and slice it, and you can have it with a lovely Lebanese bread or beautiful bread, bun, chapati, parota, or lovely basmati rice. Cheers guys, I will just cut it later. Okay, so there you go, the beautiful pork roast or the beautiful Allen shawarma is ready. I will slowly slice it and put it in a nice dish, and then you can put it in a wrap, you can put it in a beautiful bread, have it with some basmati rice, parota, everything possible, right? So this beautiful pork is dedicated, this dish is dedicated to my mother on her birthday. There you go, beautiful pork, and we will have just this one portion. Got a plate here. Okay. Hope my video is going to work out fine. So let's just chop a few pieces. Yeah. Beautiful, delicious. Yeah. And there's a bit of bone, so there's going to be a few areas where you have to stop, but also my aunt Mary auntie's birthday, and just to celebrate this lovely occasion, this beautiful dish. Yeah, let us nicely assemble it. I would preferably put some parmesan cheese on top, and give it a nice micro. Yeah, this is my version. I can tell you, you will love it. There's bone, and unfortunately, because this piece with bone gives you a lot of flavor, better than the other meaty pieces. Try this. Make your own recipe. Don't have to follow what I'm telling you. But okay, guys, it's one lovely portion. Last piece, let me cut. Okay. There you go. So it has got some lovely fat in. Yeah. Let me wash my hands. Need to put one, two pieces of lovely pineapple. Okay, and I'll put the parmesan and microwave it. So we have cut the sides. Okay, you can again chuck it in the oven for 15 minutes to get everything entirely cooked. I have a big load here. This is for the whole meal for the whole family on this beautiful birthday occasion of my mother and my aunt Mary, and this is for everybody to enjoy. Let me just micro for say 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Okay, right, there you go. Voila, this lovely beauty is going to be tasty, delicious. Cheers guys, enjoy this lovely dish, and after you cook, let me know how you went, right? Cheers and enjoy. Have a lovely day.